Hello and welcome back everybody to Lego Vesting. Today's video we are going to be creating this cool little battle droid. This is actually otherwise known as the medic droid. And it comes with different kind of motor variations to them. It actually has a missile or something otherwise known as just a medical stick, whatever you want to call this. And it could actually come with a display thing that actually stands for the display stand. So let's get started creating this droid, and let's go ahead and do it with do-it-yourself instructions how you can create your own medical droid. So let's get started creating this. You can see size comparison, it's almost the same size as a minifigure, just a little bit bigger. Its hands actually move, its head actually moves, and its feet moves as well. So this is a very flexible and custom looking droid, and you can interchange those things here. So this is actually otherwise known as the stars and stripes of the figure right here. So you can make this blue, green, all kinds of motor variations that are available for this, and you can actually buy it in my Lego shop. It's very expensive because the pieces are so rare and unusual. Is getting all the pieces for this project, and yeah, it looks like a zoo here. So the way we're going to be actually creating this is pretty much taking the pieces and constructing it from the top down, so you can actually figure out which pieces you need. Yes, it is a little bit harder than normally I would create this, but it just has so many small little pieces. I think this is probably the best option. First thing, you put those things right here. Then we are constructing the legs. It starts with the legs first. How you build those? Just like that. And some pieces are very hard to find, such as this piece right here. This is where pieces for something like this becomes very expensive when it comes for you to make one. Next thing, you want to secure this, which is a piece that looks exactly like this. Next, what you have to do before you put those pieces in is to put both of those on both sides, just like that. So let's go ahead and do this, both pieces on both sides. Then we're putting this right here on both sides as well, and putting them more in. After you do this, you're going to be putting the hands right here. So both hands are going to be put in, and just like this. And there we go. Finished making the hands for this little looking robot minifigure. On the top, we're putting the stripes, the rank of the minifigure, whatever you call it. Make sure it is secure as well here. Then this goes right there for its head, so it is almost done right now. After that, one more of those pieces goes on the top, and for its brain or its head, whatever you call it, you put it right here. Now the next thing is just to put this right there and pick one of those in here. So we have a few extras that we can choose from. Now this is not anything that you can put in here. You can put any kind of different thing right here if you want. So another variation would be something like this. This might actually look much cool. So now we have two different minifigures that look kind of the same, and we can do some custom modifications to them and make them look slightly different. Now the hands are a little bit off, so let's go ahead and put them the correct method. And now we are actually done creating this cool looking minifigure. So I want to show you the 3 different variations of this robot, so you can actually tell the difference between them. This one comes with the special protection shield. This is actually the most advanced an expensive version of this robot. Next one comes with a circuit board that is right on top. And the last one comes with a vent right here. This robot can do a few things. Its hands can move up and down. This can go sideways as well. Its legs can move as well. Its head can also turn around. It is very flexible and it's very cool looking. Here are two of those, side-by-side comparison. Comparing this to a minifigure, you can see right here, they are almost identical in size. So this guy is actually going to be scanning this one for radiation with a radiation meter. And they're interchangeable. You can easily interchange a lot of things here, and you can easily customize them in any way you want. Let me show you. A few extra pieces here. Easily exchangeable pieces. You can change this around and color code this any way you like, or you can change its linking, which is on the top, and make a blue version of it in a few seconds. So if you don't like the first version, you can change it into a different version. Each figure comes with a missile, and for extra you get a base plate that is also included. You can choose between this one or a black one. And using the base plate, you can display this and put this right on your desktop.